Hi, I'm Zan, 30 years old and a graduate of Philippine Normal University. I studied Bachelor in Elementary Education with English as my concentration. I also took up Masters in Education, major in English language teaching. Now, I'm currently employed as a public school teacher and has been working in this institution for 3 years. Before, I used to work as an online English teacher to Korean students for roughly 6 years. In that company, I have experience as well being a recruitment manager and a documentation manager. Teaching is really my passion, and my greatest fulfillment is when I see my students succeed. In teaching online, my mantra is to make learning fun, meaningful, and efficient. In conducting classes, some of the strategies I use are deductive teaching and discovery method. I let my students explore on ideas and examples for them to come up with their generalization, as I believe that learning is more of discovering concepts and ideas, as well as discovering their own potentials and talents.